I think you always have to think outside the box. That's a word. I mean, that's cliche, but I don't know. To be successful, of course, you have to be able to understand how everybody thinks and normal people think. But to be, I heard people that say, well, innovation's gone. Now it's a disruption. The But it's a really fast-changing world, and people get into this argument about exponential and Moore's law, things like that. But it's not just that. And Hollywood kind of feeds it and makes it like a doomsday scenario. But I think there'll be many, many good people that will make things easier and better for people. I'm also scared, of course, because I called my bank, and you have to press 1 for that, and if something goes wrong, it stops. I gotta get my money, you know. But if it's a human, you can negotiate. Sure, some if you stand still, just like those horse carriage companies, when the automotive society, you'll get eliminated. And you have to keep going. But even the other day, one of my I use a computer to book a hotel, and the night before I have to cancel it. It said no cancellation money will be returned. But there was this customer number. I called. I talked to the lady, and she made it happen for me. If it was just a computer, I would have lost all that money. But because the lady said, okay, I'll take care of it, she took care of it, I'm more loyal to that company, that sort of thing. So you have to know how to use technology, but you have to also have the, humanness, I guess, human touch.